Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the advanced privacy settings in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. What you need to do after that is click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner of your screen. Then click on Privacy. Now scroll all the way down and find Advanced. This is the advanced privacy settings. If you want to change it, you can do so. Some of the things you can change here are always relay calls, sensitive circumvention, seal sender, show status icon, and allow from everyone. So you can see that you can individually turn this on or off according to your wish. So this is not necessary, so you cannot turn this on, as you can see. So talking about always relay calls, you can relay all calls through the Signal server to avoid revealing your IP address. So you can go ahead and turn this function on through advanced privacy settings. So another option which you want is the sealed sender. So if you want to show your status icon as this, you can show an icon in message details when they were delivered using the sealed sender. So you can also allow from everyone access. So you can enable the seal sender for incoming messages from non-contacts and people with whom you have not shared your profile as well. So if you want a totally public account, you can turn these two functions on, and this function if you want to delay your IP address and don't want to reveal it. So you can go ahead and access through the advanced privacy settings over here in the settings in Signal. I hope this video about how you can change the advanced privacy settings in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.